Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to show you something that I was going to be working on and show you how they normally start. So basically what this is a piece of paper that I had initially been using as just to keep my background, the base clear. So it's literally just a piece of scrap paper, and it looks like this because I was using it for wax. I was doing some batik, so I just needed something to protect it from the wax. And I wanted to show you what I would then do with this piece of paper. And I'll show you from, say, this one as well, and then I'll work on this one. So I end up with a piece of paper like that. Now I would probably allow this one to become more covered in paint, but I can work on it just as it is. And show you what I would draw from it. So normally I look to see if there's a particular shape coming out, and I can see a shape, and it's just something that I'm going to loosely, let me see, I can see, well, two shapes really. I normally draw faces, and they're in a particular location. So at the moment I've just got something like this, and I was going to do what I could see with this is that the person had no neck, but I'm going to do a more realistic form. And so some of the things I add that are just mine, and some of the things I add that I can just see. So this bit, the hair, and this is what I saw, and then this is what I've just added as by way of my own interpretation. And then I'm just going to do that. So I would just literally draw a loose image, and then from that I go over it, because this is a water soluble crayon, and I just go over it, and that just and sometimes, more often than not, the background comes a lot later. Although this one, because I committed to getting the figure and then I started doing some loose backgrounds, there's some sort of backgrounds there, but there's no guarantee that they're going to stay. So just carrying on with this one for now. And then I just kind of work it. Let me see, where's my gesso? I would put some gesso in there, and I'd select like a few random colours, not anything that catches my eye, nothing pre-planned at all. And then I just use those colours and anything else which crops up. So I'm going to do a background, so in the distance now, so the horizon line is just kind of, and I normally do the sea, they're by the sea with the mountains in the background, or you know, like I've done some houses, so it depends really. It's not anything that I think, okay, I've got to do something. And the sun is usually in the background as well, so and then again, sometimes I draw in the features, again very loosely, because I'm not